Welcome to my recap with live trades. I hope you enjoy the content. I got shafted today, no lube. Finishing the day down 250 with commissions. On my $4,500 account. That's not good. I mean, 5.5%. Yeah, not good. 5.55%. It is what it is. I made some mistakes. Everything I entered just didn't really work out. When I tried to get an Amazon, I didn't get filled, and that would have paid, shaved off almost $200. I would imagine. So it's unfortunate, but live and learn. So let's get to it. I'm gonna show just a couple of the trades, or a few of them. So I had a V trade off the open. I got in 192 out at 216, just a filler trade, one contract. I was bullish on V. A little late for my entry. It should have been right at the open because daily, it was right at a pivotal point in the daily, in my opinion. So the first trade's on NVIDIA. NVIDIA is on the far right. I'm going to play a put 185, 187.50 put. So I get in, and immediately it's starting to squeeze. And I noticed VWAP's right there. 34 EMA is right there. I didn't want to get shaken out. In at 205, already at 165. Down like $40 at this point. And I'm gonna fast forward this so you can just see how brutal. I mean, so it's holding this kind of a bear flag. So I was holding right. I should have been adding here so that when it went down to here, so my average was 205. Instead, I went in heavy on a pop right there. 135, let's say. So 135, I get in two contracts. So it's gonna be like a 160 cost bit, average. 158, let's say. I would have been able to make $60 if I were to sell right there. So that's how I could have handled this trade differently. Because that pop was in sort of a bear flag. I mean, I could have played the resistance on the bear flag, added it on the bid side, and I would have had a profitable trade instead of getting squeezed out and losing $112 with commissions or whatever. 110 or something. So, not a good way to start the day. So down $85, $89 with commissions. Next trade's on Tesla. So I had some unprofitable trades. I'm down 132. I had the NVIDIA trade. I had a BABA trader. So I had a Facebook that was I don't know why it shows zero realized. Because if you see down here on the trades, I bought two at 275 and two at 277. So that's $10. Should be $16 minus commissions. Like $12. It shows zero. That's something I need to look into. On SKLZ, $14 minus commission, so not good. So anyways, let's get to it. Tesla here on the far left. I'm going to play a put, a 675 put. I'll get in there at 876. So I'm gonna fast forward this. I don't have a lot of time right now, but I get stopped out there, so that Tesla ends up being a $116 loss. Just gets squeezed. It breaks above the pivot there at 677.43. Yeah, I sold right before view out. Let's see what happens to it after that. Oh, it squeezes higher. Breaks above that 679 area pivot, and then it comes down. So yeah, here's what it is. Make this. So down 198, 218 with commissions. At this point, next trade's on Nvidia. Okay, Nvidia's on the middle here. It's a bit extended. I grabbed 3 calls, 195 calls, and 197.50 calls. My bad, for 165 each, 3 of them. And this was a news play, I believe. No, this is just a technical pattern. You see on the on the hourly there, we broke out of this falling wedge. Broke out and we were holding above the 34 EMA and breaking above that pivot there at 190, 196.50 area. So I sell the 3 there for 170. I sell 2 for 178 and 1 for 189. I made $50 right there. Yeah, so $50, quick $50, thankfully. So at this point, I was at 198, 218. Okay. Then after that, so I take a AMD at 159, a 105 call on the far left here. So I play that flag break, 105 call, and then I grab a BABA 165 call. I was trying to do what I did yesterday, play off low days. So we had a low day break there, and then we are trying to squeeze in above. So I started to hold. Didn't wait for a higher low. So I just got in there. 190. I sold the AMD for 179, so $20 on the AMD. And so only down 178. 211 after commissions. And then look at BABA just on the far right here. BABA goes higher. I could have been out. Yeah, BABA wasn't really moving too much. I got in 190. It was like $2, 215 on the ask. I was gonna at least go to VWAP, but it just falls apart, and I get out. Boom. Get out at low day break. At least I'm being a big boy and holding for wider stops. You know, we see that head and shoulders right there. It doesn't look good. And you know, in an ideal perfect world, I could have switched biases right about here and put that neckline break and sized in heavy on some puts, sized in heavy right there on some puts. But that bear flag. So finishing the day here, minus 226 plus 24, $250 with commissions. Not good. But anyways, appreciate you watching. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. I just made all the wrong decisions today. I overtraded. You know, too little size on too many trades. Yeah, I had some 3 and 4 contract trades, but not on the A+ setups. And like Nvidia just started blowing up to the upside, and that would have been good. If I'd had more buying power, I would have been prepared to play that there. And I would have got some bigger moves, you know. Wait till it consolidates, puts in a flag, play it. Because it was just kept going, and it was obvious it was going to go higher, but I was out of buying power. So yeah, there's some adjustments I need to make, and I'm going to make them. And hopefully come back stronger tomorrow. So, take care. Good luck. Hope your trading went well. Let me know in the comments below how your trading's been going. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye.